Joyce, Pooja Khedkar escaped to the river, or she has escaped from Mississippi, Mexico Gulf to fly Dubai, and then she may, if God is a Trinity, yes, Trinity. So that who is locking me? Who is locking me to switch? तो ओलर रोहे है लंदन में ही रहता है, इधर कोई नहीं रहता बेटा। हमारा मैक्सिको में कोई नहीं रहता है, लंदन में रहता है, इंडिया में रहता है, और तुम इंडिया को कम बोलता है। आर्कियोलॉजिकल कल्ट और इसारामिक कल्ट के लिए लोग को ईशो मतलब शिव, गॉड ऑफ जीसस, and Jesus, this man is Jesus, Ramji. Yeah, Jesus. Isharamic, concept of Isharamic. This concept, if you have condemned in the Mexican Gulf, then you will not be, you will not be unqualified. Everywhere you will be able to answer or question Illinois. Yeah. बेटा हाँ मामी आ रहा है, that is Mukteshwar Mahadev Lingo. That temple area in the map of this, if you find Mukteshwar Institute Reserve First Imperial Working Plan Map, Nainital Division, Kumaon Circle, UP. That map initially drawn 1938-39, 1 year later, because that was remote Himalaya, that is again defined 52, 53 in the settlement, and then 63, 68. So this is Mukteshwar temple, where this notch, western side, that is Chauthajali. That Mukteshwar map, and this is a lingo. Yeah, that has been recorded. Yeah, that has been provided me by the Kumaon Garhwal region, but that was by Indian Veterinary Research Institute. Administrator officer. So these matter have been taken in the Nainital Puratattvik Uttar Pradesh संरक्षण कार्यालय रजिस्ट्री के करण अधिकारी। तो ये नैनीताल है, नैनीताल कुमाऊं रेंज की है। तो ये मुक्तेश्वर महादेव की, मुक्तेश्वर जिला नैनीताल। ये जो जिस चीज को उस दिन उसी को सिग्नेचर किया हुआ है जो पदाधिकारी थे, तो ये रिकॉर्ड है। तो इसके बाद जो बहुत सारे आपको प्रत्नतात्विक रिकॉर्ड होगा, उसमें बहुत सारे एक एक रिकॉर्ड होगा। हाँ, तो पहले जो रिकॉर्ड होगा, आप शुरू से आइए, ये माँ दुर्गा भगवती माँ दुर्गा भगवती मुक्तेश्वरी की। बहुत पुराना है वही पांडे जी। मैंने ओटा आधुनिक टाइप का कहा, संगमर और प्रत्नातात्विक डिवीजन फॉर मुक्तेश्वर महादेव टेम्पल की, मुक्तेश्वर महादेव टेम्पल। तो उसमें बहुत सारे फैक्ट है, मैं बाद में आपको दिखाऊंगा। तो बाद में मैं धीरे धीरे काम करूंगा, आज मेरा उतना जल्दी नहीं है। मैंने आपको ये मुक्तेश्वर महादेव की पहले लिंगो दिखाया था माता के पास। किसके बाद किसको रखना है, मतलब पहले देवी मंदिर, उसके बाद जो है ना हनुमान जी के मंदिर, कमसनी जी मंदिर। ये सब उसी एक ही जगह में रिकॉर्ड हुआ था। तो ये माँ वो भगवती के आरोग्य मूर्ति, उसमें और माँ त्रिशूलधारी देवी माँ भगवती उमा की मुक्तेश्वर, वो मुक्तेश्वर ये युग का, मतलब हर राजा इन सब मूर्ति को करीब राम जी के टाइम से क्या वो आधुनिक युग का विक्रमादित्य भट्टिवारी के समय से रखा हुआ। तो ये शिव जी का लिंग उस समय बना हुआ महादेव शंकर की। हाँ, नाइजीरिया में बोको हरम कहते हैं ये मुक्तेश्वर। और ये जो मैंने आपको जो टेम्पल का विवरण देखा, इतना साइज था, इतना फीट हाइट। ये जो टेम्पल दिखाया जा रहा है ना, वो ये टेम्पल ड्रॉ हुआ ना, ये टेम्पल ड्रॉ हुआ था नक्शा में। इतना हिली होता है तो इसलिए इससे स्टेप वाइज वर्णन किया गया था। तो ये शंकर भगवान मुक्तेश्वर महादेव की मंदिर, मैं उसको दिखाऊंगा आज के। ये है मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी, जिन्होंने लास्ट 50 इयर्स इनको महिमा को रिवाइव किए थे, ये मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी। और किस लेवल में रहते थे, किस तरह, वो उस जमाना में। ये सिमाइल गांव की एक बच्चा है भग्गू, जो बचपन से महाराज जी की सेवा करते थे। उस जमाने में इलेक्ट्रिक और वुडन कोयला, वुडन कोल से करते थे। ये इनका डॉक्टर बाबू जो मुक्तेश्वर में पोस्टिंग हुए थे शुरू में मेडिकल डॉक्टर में, डॉक्टर अरुण सक्सेना है मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी के। तो इनको जो हमारा लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन का किए थे मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी का, कल मैंने एक वीडियो अपर स्काई से दिखाया था। ये लोग वहाँ उसका मेंशन, मतलब कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क करते थे स्पिरिचुअल पोर्शन का। आत्मा दीक्षित, माँ। तो इनका आसन है टॉप कॉटेज में, टॉप कॉटेज की आसन। वो मौन रहने का बात रहता था, और उतना तो हमको फोकसिंग में लेने नहीं देते। ओम लिखा हुआ रहता था, ओम। तो आसन को आपने फोकसिंग में देखा दिए बस। तो फिर मैं दूसरा जगह जाऊंगा। इसमें ये जो फोटोग्राफ्स है, पहले पेड़ में रखा हुआ था, आजकल कौन उसको उठा के ले गया, गिरा दिया, मतलब कंट्रोल हैज बीन स्नैच्ड फ्रॉम मी, सो ऑल जिम्मेदारी इस पुजारी को लेना पड़ेगा। हाउ शी ही इज मेंटेनिंग, मतलब ये अनपढ़ बच्चा होता है गांव के, बारून गांव के प्रभु पंचायत, पढ़ लिख कर खेत फील्डर, उसी को ही करता। ये है मुक्तेश्वर महादेव की लिंगों की फोटो। उस जमाने में व्हाइट फोटो, लिंगों की फोटो, तो उसमें पोटला रखा हुआ है और आधा कट गया, तो व्हाइट लिंग और माँ उमा तपस्या रहता, माँ उमा मुक्तेश्वरी कैसे रहता। तो माँ उमा की और जो दूसरा मूर्ति वहां रखा गए थे, ये सब जो है ना आधुनिक मध्य युग का, मतलब मध्य युग तक, मतलब दापर और ब्रह्म। तो ये है कि भगवान माँ उमा और गणेश जी का दूसरा अवतार है, मतलब देखते हैं। ये है भगवान की व्हाइट लिंग, बहुत पुराना फोटोग्राफ्स है। और फोटोग्राफ्स को लेने के लिए तो मैं जितना भी कोशिश करूंगा, लेकिन मददचोद जो मिट्टी के नीचे होता है ना, तो बहुत खच्चर है, इनको ले लेगा, मेरे से छीन, मेरा आइडेंटिटी छीन के, मतलब वो बंगाली है ना, मददचोद है वो। आज मैंने वो पम एनी मेल रॉय के बारे में कह रहा था, हाँ forefather probably, maybe synod, maybe men, but their family were in total disperse due to revenue dues, because the sudden attack of British East Indian Company, greedy peoples, so they suddenly to loot part all this dacoities of this royal Vishnu Sampad. So they remain in war, and that is in forest, deep forest, Bishnupur. So there was a severe crisis of cultivation. That army, so many army attacks from Tur and Borgi attack from this Indore was also there. तो मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी की पुरानी जो भक्त लोग हुआ करते थे, डॉक्टर मजुमदार, जेनेटिक्स प्रोफेसर, ये तो कोई बाहर से आया होगा। ये है प्रोफेसर, इनका बेटा है प्रोफेसर इधर है। और मिसेस उषा मजुमदार, she was killed. Her son has become very much known to me. So somebody is doing Dharmananda ji is serving. So actually clear, Niran Majumdar is here. Very much clear with all others, his son. They are two officers to come from Ajaznagar in trip. Official tour में आते थे तभी मिलते थे. So my recognition has been given of today's Dr. Robinji, Sri Robinji, Dr. Rabindranath Roy, residents of Mulluk, Shivalik, Vedic Ashram, Village Mulluk, Post Kamarpukur, Sadberia, District Hooghly, West Bengal 712-612. Later come Uparashtapati ji, उपराष्ट्रपति जी मौलाना आजाद रोड अंसारी हामिद जी का टाइम से तो आया था इस लेटर 2016 फरवरी is a government of India service. So I just take a glimpse because he has a different shape taking a different condition. So I will be in because they too put difficulties of this videograph of this my spiritual portion. What I've told that they were to do work, this setup and the back. Maharaj ji has top cottage and A.K. Pandey ji is serving. He has come on tour in this 1989-90 time. I given him a seat and he asked me to take photographs, so I taking photograph. It was year 99 when I was transferred. Due to heavy warm, I asked that I should meet Maharaji Mukteswar. You give me 1 month leave or without pay. So they have given me without pay. Yeah, they didn't accept. So before top cottage, I am here, and Dr. S.K. Das, her whole families and some guests from Delhi, Dharmananda ji. Dharmananda ji, पीछे है. And this particular photograph is very critical and in Joshi family, Almora ki Joshi family and Bareli people. There is from Ramayana recitation. She is from Ranikhet, Almora. Shivaji Economics teacher MA at Delhi Central School. Earlier she was posted in Mukteswar and thus she was remain unmarried and totally converted in spiritual. Kamala Joshi, not Kamala Harris. She is Kamala Joshi. This is Gramin people has come to offer puja at Mukteswar Mahadev temple. And Brigadier Rajendra Singh ji. Brigadier Rajendra Singh ji, his sons, brothers or others, wives, etc. Mukteswar Maharaj ji. And at that time also, Maya Gupta ji, Kobiraj ji. Probably she has not seen Vishwadhananda. Maybe she has seen Vishwadhananda ji. Probably may not. So Kamala Joshi and Maya Gupta. Maya Gupta. So Maharaj ji is another old photograph. And so many people try to keep this. All village peoples of Sitla, Mata Sitla, royal families or the Brahmins, or where Mata Sita made meditation, Sitla Gaon ki people. Sitla Gaon ki people. Before attack, he is to remain in this, but when he has been badly attacked, he was very, after 15 years, was very, very compromised for the evils of my locality peoples. They think their life field agriculture field worker, very criminal matter. The little Maharaj is here. So I was in back with Dr. Sabirali, my colleagues, and on those same days, Buddha Purnima, 1999. And this is Maharaj is another that spiritual cottage where this photograph first time brought, and she is Madhuri Lahiri. She was baby. What will be her age? 12 years, 12 or 14, below 14. And Sangshodhanaji now who is looking there. So this is a Guru Purnima. Near 2001. Malab, to make absurd all his youngest daughter, Dasji, and Pekka Panditji Shashur and all others. I have shown these old temple areas. So I have covered almost. I have to give it this big photograph. So big photographs is particularly very crucial. I do not know they will allow me. And when my grandson will come, I will be able if it is that. But that much time they will not allow me. That is the gate. He is waiting for vehicle to leave via Bareilly to Calcutta. It will be 2000 nearer. Is Maharaji. He is alone in winter time in his cottage and he is Dhalisar. Is a gentleman like because that is one place. So I have shown his bogus. So I have to show this photograph. I was to remain all time with him in meditation. So I was very different from their material discussion. So because I have to remain to see there what they are. I was not very much ownership or control, future, etc. All these places. So I to see his Pulakladi, he meant expend all amount. And we had went to Tatanagar for visit to Rumkini Mata Kali temples, very famous Ratnakar, Balmiki Tapobhumi areas, Ghatsela. So I am here, Ghatsela with the diver, all this Calcutta Lahiri and Ronu Ghosh, Tripti Bhattacharya in recent time as Ali. Because I have to draw this photograph, so that I am not getting that time. So I to put gradually the photograph. Is Swamiji at Ghatsela. Swamiji, Krishnanandaji. Is a river, Ghatsela. We are to go half an hour kilometer to Ghatsela Suvarnareka River. This is the cremation stage, Bortola, where our elder brother were burnt out. And this is a Mukteshwar for monkey coming, Mukteshwar, and this is that all the Tatanagar, Ghatsela. So, as you were wearing the same dress, same mouth. So, Ratnanandaji. So this is that there that if the people can identify these areas, the village. This is the Mukteshwar. This is my central laboratory complex of British time. So this is my on the sunny day. This is my hostel area. This is again another photo I have got. This is of Tatanagar visit time Ghatshila. Again, this is in Ghatshila, all these peoples. For memory, and I keep this proof. And this is my hostel Mukteshwar. This is a Mukteshwar. So I have again to put this one. I have shown those photographs. So I have bringing gradually photographs up. So for her memory, I have to keep very that Mrs. Putotunda, Manjushri Putotunda, my age, Devashish PhD doctor. So she used to come after 78, 80 onwards. She was much more than me at Mukteshwar, top cottage. And particularly this is the Arhat made ashram. She main propagator of this ashram, but later on she didn't remain hermitage. So that is Mukteshwar old temples. So other photographs. This is of yoga of Pushan ashram. So that is another Pushan ashram. That Pushan ashram plate set up by me, the Pushan ashram, golden colors. So yoga time, and that is their yoga place is little bigger, and that Mother Ganga, Ganges. Whatever may be, I have managed that. If you can see, this is the leaves. No, this is the leaves in large form. His aura is just thrown on the tree's leaves. Mm. This is leaves, white leaves, all are leaves. He has created light on a tree's background, hollow. So it is not a drawn one, diffuse cloud, uh, white radiation. This is Lord Ramji temples or Lord Lakshman Ramji Sita. That another I told you that Ramnamavi temples. That Orunji, Lahiri at Mukteshwar. This is a Mukteshwar. So this is at Pushan Ashram, Ashok Singh Ji, a higher class Singh Ji. It's a regular puja outside. And that particular memory of a big photograph of the temple. So if can be shown. Not other photograph is there, so I have to put this particular photograph at that lingam, Mukteshwar temple. It is a color one. So they have made for me contrast changing. It is Allahabad Proyag. So this is photo. So I have shown you this photograph. So here lot of photographs are there, group. So particular this photograph, the Yog Dhyana Murti, little anguish Virupaksha Murti. My present form is anguish form, and he was in horrible depression because to put all the people to hang from his body practical. This particular photographs, very torturous of this evil criminal. So I have to draw scientific advice of British India Imperial Perception Administrative Goals. So I have drawing this particular concept of Asiatic Society, philosophical transaction, Bengal related, or then that presentation of the Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal of the letters from Sri Joseph Banks, London, etc. Mr. Macleod, Governor of Bengal. Everyone was related with this Indian or Asian. So this was a Mukteswar Maharaj Ji, Mukteswar Devi Mandir, his control. So I have with IVRI, that is my document. So I was a scientist, so master of veterinary virology, if I have to short. So I have to show this my society spread, and this is the logo my created, little different from my Guruji's because there was a court case, so I have to differ unless I have to follow his only. This is a Om, and this letter received assistant manager Arambag Service Hooghly to create some of my Mulluk residents, etc. all group. So I have covered almost many portion of Mukteswar, some photographs I see later. So my walls, my all details. A pen, pen, pen of whom? Pen of Dr. R.N. Roy. He is a scientist of IVRI. That you have learned that number. मेरा account number 3872/IVRI ICRI Institute code 100. My bank account Maheshpur